Hello there, this is JW Marriott Hotel LV room. Today I'm going to remote test run the genset from the ATS panel. Okay, let's cut the story short and get straight to the point. Okay, this is the ATS panel. We have two available genset here. This is ATS number 1 and ATS number 2. Okay, first of all, off the genset control fuse. Okay, and then we trigger the UVR relay. Right. Okay, I can hear the genset is starting already. So to normalize, putting back the fuse and allow this timer relay to activate. Okay, then only putting back the genset control fuse. Alright, genset is operating. We test the other one. As usual, take out the genset control fuse. There are 4 units of them. Alright, and trigger the UVR relay. Wait for the genset to operate. Okay, I can hear the sound. Alright, pulling back this fuse and allow the UVR relay to activate. Let this timer relay to cut in. Alright, only then put in the genset fuse. Alright, so now the genset is in operation. You can use the voltmeter to check the voltage here, 415 and 240, as well as check the frequency, so that to know, to confirm the genset is operating at 50 Hz, which is 1500 RPM. After I put in the fuse, the genset will stop automatically by itself due to the UVR relay signal has been cut off. When it cut off, it will call the genset to start automatically. Then now, putting back the fuse, it will call the genset to stop automatically after 5 minutes of runtime. In the meantime, I just check the power factor, make sure it's okay. Alright, make sure all the MSB okay, power factor. And then check the voltage. Make sure there's no excessive high voltage on the LV side. You must make sure the range is okay. That means below 253 volt in single phase. This one a bit dim. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.